front of me is Google Pixel 7 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. You need to begin by opening Play Store and installing your new default apps. I will go with Messages one, for example that one, and Opera Mini Browser. When your apps are ready, you need to... I need to skip it real quick. When your apps are ready, you need to click on Home button and go into Devices Settings right away. Now tap on Apps, scroll down just a bit and click on Default Apps. Finally, tap on one of those options. I want to change my SMS apps, I have to tap on it, choose SMS Messenger and click on the back button. As you can see, after that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!